What's up guys, it's James from Jeeping Adventure, and today we're going to talk about why you should or shouldn't get beadlocks for your Jeep. So, let's get started. Alright, so I ended up picking up these beadlocks from one of my buddies, Ben from JK Gear and Gadgets, and they look amazing. Unfortunately, we did not get to film the install because there was a crazy monsoon. So I figured I would do a little video about why you should or shouldn't get these beadlocks. Now, a big thing with these that helps is off-road capabilities. The ring around here, around the entire wheel, is actually holding the bead of the tire. So what that means is you can air this tire down significantly without having to worry about the bead getting pushed out like you would on a normal wheel. One of the downsides with this wheel is that it is heavier than your normal wheel. Obviously you have extra hardware and everything, so it's going to weigh more and it's going to be harder to turn, which is why a lot of people go with a hydraulic steering or something like that, so when you're off-road and air down, you can turn these wheels a lot easier.
Another downside is not every single set of beadlocks are DOT approved, which we all know means that they're not exactly street legal or wouldn't pass a missing the word here, an inspection. So that's one downside. So you need to make sure that the ones that you buy are DOT approved.
Yep, that's important. They do make wheels that are like simulated beadlocks that look like they are, but they don't actually hold that bead of the wheel, meaning if you were out on the trails with those, they're still going to blow the bead out.
Another reason why you should get beadlocks is because they look cool as fuck. I really don't like them.
Yeah, Taylor's not a fan of like the the silverish color.
The chrome? No.
She doesn't like it at all.
No.
I like it. It doesn't look bad, but she says there's nothing else silver, so I guess that just means I need to buy more parts.
No.
That's what I'm hearing.
It means you need to make that black.
This whole thing black?
Yeah.
That's a lot of black.
Yeah, look at your Jeep. It's all black.
No, it's dune.
There's no chrome anywhere.
Look at the tie rod.
You're gonna paint that.
I'm not gonna paint the shocks.
But you're gonna paint the tie rod, so
maybe.
You don't really have an argument here.
You should throw in the comments right now if you think I should paint the wheels black or leave them as are.
What are you? Are you Team Taylor?
No.
Team James.
Come on, guys. Be Team James. This is ridiculous. We're not painting everything black.
Yes.
If I left my Jeep here and went away for like months at a time, would my Jeep be completely black when I came back?
Not completely.
Not completely. What would not be black?
The body.
Really? If you found a body shop that would paint the entire body black, would you? For like $300.
Like that cheap. Matte black would be nice, yeah.
So that's a yes, it would be completely black. I need a black Jeep so she can just
I like what I like.
Jeep, and I'll stay with this.
That's alright.
That's all good. Anyways, so you've seen the beadlocks, and I've kind of told you some good things and some bad things. If you have any questions, please throw something in a comment. If you have any questions, they will be answered. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And like always, keep the adventure going.